Hometogo Review, Usage Experience. Hometogo is a vacation rental search engine designed to simplify the way you find accommodations by pulling listings from major platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, Vrbo, and more. It's perfect for travelers who want to compare prices and options across multiple sites without wasting time jumping between apps or websites. The main feature that sets Hometogo apart is its powerful search filters. You can sort by price, location, amenities, and even cancellation policies, ensuring you find the right rental that fits your needs. The platform works seamlessly both on desktop and mobile, and the user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use. I found the experience to be extremely smooth. Just type your destination, set the dates, apply filters, and instantly see a comprehensive list of rental options. The price comparison tool is a standout feature because it highlights where you can get the lowest price for the same property across different sites, saving both time and money. It's especially helpful for budget-conscious travelers or those planning group trips where larger accommodations are needed. During my usage, I noticed Hometogo doesn't add any hidden fees. You're redirected to the source platform for booking, which gives you confidence in transparency. However, keep in mind that Hometogo itself isn't a booking site. It's a search aggregator, so any customer service issues will need to be addressed through the platform you ultimately book with. For those who frequently use vacation rentals, Hometogo is a valuable tool for quickly finding the best deal without the hassle of endless searching. Overall, Hometogo delivers on its promise of convenience, price transparency, and extensive rental choices, making it an essential tool for travelers looking to streamline their accommodation search. If you're tired of juggling multiple websites to plan your next trip, Hometogo is definitely worth using. I was able to find the perfect property at a better rate than expected, and I think it's a great addition to any travel planning routine. For travelers looking to save time and money, Hometogo does exactly what it claims to do, efficiently and reliably.